Wait, but stop. Stop. Can you stop already? Stop. Stop. Environment is suffering big time. It's suffering real big time. Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. I'm so excited. It's your favorite girl, Christina Lady Upcycle. So today there's something that's been bothering me the whole time, and that is how we handle our clothes. The ones we are not using anymore, the ones that are staying locked up in the closet, in the wardrobe, in the box, and just end up not using them. At the end of the day, you pack all of them and you can trash them. No, now, no, no. There's so many ways we can use our clothes, especially our old clothes, so that they are useful. The consequences of putting our old clothes in the bin is so much. It's going to affect the environment, affect climate, affect economy, going to lead to waste of natural resources and even the resources that are used to produce those fabrics. So it is very important that you do not just pack all your old clothes and then trash it in the bin. There are so many things you can do to your old clothes, and I'm super excited to share these things with you. One of them is that you can restyle your old clothes. You can put on a clothes like this, and another time you put on a clothes like this. You swap it, or you add this, or you add that. If you use a canvas the first time, you could use heels to try it on the next time. You could style it up with accessories, with a different bag, with a different color, or something like that, just to give it an entire new look. Another way you can also use your old clothes is by giving them out to other people instead of them lying waste in the wardrobe or you trash them in the bin. No, you give them out to other people. There's so many persons out there that are going to appreciate, and there's so many organizations that are accepting old dresses. For example, an organization called Fashion for Charity. They accept clothes from people and give them out to those who are in need of them, and that is so beautiful. So you feel like this particular clothes they're out of your size or you don't like it anymore, you could give them all out. And then it doesn't end there. Another way is to upcycle, and I'm super excited because I love upcycling. Upcycling reduces waste. It is creating a new thing or a new way to use an old thing. Upcycling is really interesting, and for a few series I'm going to be showing you how to upcycle some of your old dresses. So please do not trash those things. Do not, do not, do not. When you walk past and you see a huge dump of refuse, you're going to see clothes there, and those clothes cannot decompose. They're going to remain like that year in, year out. Meanwhile, beautiful things could have been done out of those amazing clothes. I believe that you've learned a lot from this lesson. So do well to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Stay glued to this channel because I have amazing things for you to learn. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Cheers.